Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to fix any issues on your iPhone, iPod or iPad related to software. Like sometimes it freeze, it's stuck on the Apple logo and keep restart. Just like my iPhone XS Max right here. You can see it just like keep restart and stuck on Apple logo. And now I'm gonna show you how to fix it with a simple steps. In order to fix it, you can use toolkit iOS system recovery. You can see here it fix any issues, any problem related to your device. You can go ahead and download from this link. I already put the link in my video description. And one more thing, so with this app, if you want to get discount, you can grab the coupon from my video description too. Now in order to install this software, just go ahead and click on free download, and then you can save it into your computer and install it. So now after that, you can go back into the app itself. Now let's fix my iPhone XS Max because it's stuck on Apple logo. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on start, and from here you have between two choices. You have standard mode and you have advanced mode, but you need to keep this in mind. If you select on advanced mode, all of your data will be erased, but if you select on standard mode, after the repair, all of your photo or any document on your phone will be remain the same. But I want to clean my phone and keep it fresh, so my choice is advanced mode. Now click on this button, and then you need to follow this method in order to put your phone in DFU mode. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my device in DFU mode first. For my iPhone XS Max, in order to put it in DFU mode, I can press on volume up, volume down, and then keep holding on the power button. So now let's go ahead and get started. And now I have put my phone into recovery mode, so I'm gonna place my phone here, so you can take a look on how it works and how the process has been done. Now on my computer you're gonna see this button, and now I am able to click on it. Now in this part you need to download a software in order to fix your phone. So you can either download here, it's gonna download, but I have already downloaded before, so I don't need to download it again. And then from here I can go ahead and click on this button to import the firmware in order to fix it. So this is my firmware. I can also double click, and now it verifies. So all you have to do is just wait for this process. And one more thing, you need to make sure that your PC is also connected to the internet. Make sure the internet is stable. And now after the firmware has been verified, we're gonna click on repair and click on yes. Now you can see the process has been completed. So all I have to do is just click on done, and now we're gonna go back into our iPhone. So now it has been done. So if you have the Apple ID, you may need to enter your Apple ID in order to set up your phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up real quick, and you don't have to wait. And now it has finally fixed, as you can see, and it back to default. And like I mentioned, because I select advanced mode, that's why all of my data has been erased or deleted. But if you don't want your data to be deleted, you need to select standard mode. And now I am in the latest version 15.5. So thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.